Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Friends, today in this video I am going to tell you essay on national unity in English. So it is very simple. So let's start the video. Role. People of different caste, religions and sects live in each country. The mutual synergy of ideas between communities living in different civilizations and cultures is called national unity. It makes the nation strong and important at the international level. For this unity, it is necessary to have a sense of mutual love, harmony, brotherhood, trust and sacrifice among the citizens. Need. It has happened many times in world history that due to lack of unity among the citizens of a nation, it had to become a slave of another nation. By being united, even a small country becomes powerful and self-sufficient. In the absence of unity, even the largest country becomes fragmented and weak and becomes isolated at the international level. Therefore, national unity is essential for the survival of a country. National unity in India. India is a country of diversity. Here in the vast population, there are people who believe in many religions and beliefs. Hundreds of dialects and dozens of languages are prevalent throughout the country. People of different religions live with different living habits, food habits and beliefs. In such a situation, a person of one state can become a stranger like a foreigner only by going to another state, and can get into various difficulties. But the sanskars that our ancient civilization and cultures have instilled in us, due to their influence, the atmosphere of unity has always remained between us. The gangs of social and communal cooperation has been following among the people of our country. People of all regions have always shown cooperation, love, harmony and mutual synergy at the national level. Significance. National unity is essential element to make the essence of the nation proud at the international level. It is helpful in making any country economically, socially and politically strong. It is the symbol of the rich tradition of any country. It leads the nation towards progress, self-reliance and happiness and prosperity. Epilogue. In modern times, small and big nations are constantly trying to get ahead of each other in the race of development. In such a situation, national integration become even more important. So hope you like this video guys. Please do subscribe my channel. If you have any query, please comment below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.